Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom villa that was recently reduced and priced to sell. It is located on Beach Drive, Whitehouse, Westmoreland. This new, massive villa has modern open floor plan, excellent for extended family or Airbnb rentals. 2 large kitchens, 5 large bedrooms, 2 car garage, stunning sea views, huge verandas, and sits on over 1/3 of an acre. The community has a lovely private beach. Whitehouse is becoming a luxury resort in Jamaica's beautiful south coast. Guys, let's take a look at this villa. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $499,000 or Jamaican $76.8 million. This villa is also available for long-term rental at $3,000 US per month. To purchase or rent, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.